27 along arnikang samabirta thanbang sami bismai disopi non birta thepi pen arjita. Sir singnot ingti lokhimon adovan along open stage kimi Kangpu pon. Sansila Khang Korapho Nilip MSC constituency ke parlo Mera Bhiti lokhimon adovan along Sir singnot ingti arong along Chief Minister scheme ki pipon pen open stage kimi kimrang ke tang pen puthot Kangpu jai mek ke dain pon. Alang limit hang amasi chitong dun pen si puthot labangso asai sidame misen pen pachun ponno. Alangli Deputy Speaker Dr. Nimol Momen Bokojan LAC alangli nong e kesom along sitami ingpu ponno. Labang so mai long nilip MSC po bitro rong pila pen ki ong dung ki thegi ding atumta chitong dun pen mai along alir acha pidonno. Hala dag lokhimon adovan along alang litum ningkang sampen pinang an ason amung kilong thek an ason amung pipajir dunlo. Lape non ke bang jilang an sitami nili nang chirap dun ji pusi klar dak pen thanpon. Tang declare dak alam thir arjupon sinam. Borlong sopen roll and killing news text report B News 7. On birtang tanben arjita.
MLA LAD ফাণ্ডৰ পৰা মই এটা অপেন ষ্টেজ বনাই দিছোঁ আজি তেখেতসকলে নিমন্ত্ৰণ দিলে এই অপেন ষ্টেজটো ইনগ্ৰেট কৰিবলৈ কাৰণে আৰু ইনগ্ৰেট কৰিলে তেখেতসকলৰ যি মৰম ঘৰৰ পৰা তেখেতসকলে যি চব্জি যি ফল মূল শাক পাচলি তাৰপিছতে তেখেতসকলৰ চাউল এই সকলোবিলাক বস্তু যি আজি মোক দি পেলাই সেইটো আমাৰ যিটো ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহৰ ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেলি এইবিলাক আমি এক্সচেঞ্জ কৰি আগতে চলিছোঁ যে মোৰ ঘৰত নাথাকাটো বেলেগৰ পৰা আনো মোৰ ঘৰত থকাটো বেলেগক দিওঁ আজি সেইটো কথাটো মোৰ মনত পৰি গ'ল আজি লক্ষীমনৰ আশীৰ্বাদ লৈ ইয়াতে লক্ষীমন ধৰ্মাৱলম্বী লোকসকলে যি ধৰণেৰে মোক নিমন্ত্ৰণ দি মৰম দিলে তাৰ কাৰণে মই চিৰ কৃতজ্ঞ হৈ থাকিম আই এম অলৱেজ ডেপ টু দেম ফৰ দিছ ৱণ্ডাৰফুল hospitality and reception. So today I have inaugurated one open stage from the MLA LAD fund, and this temple is particularly blessed by the Assam government with Assam Darshan. So I am very happy today. The day-long program in the Chokihula under Nilip constituency with Honorable local MLA Pavitra Rompi. So this is one of the example of BJP government and Narendra Modi ji Dikshit Bharat. So slowly we are trying to develop our each and every corner of my constituency, and so far more than 40% development I have done. So within this 9.5 years, I believe that next 5 years 60-70% work will be completed from this constituency, and I am very lucky. The 7 central school, few of them are residential school sanctioned, few of them are open already, and one Sainik school, this is the second Sainik school in the Northeast region, is sanctioned in my constituency. So I am very lucky, and it will be a very productive for the people of Bokajan LAC. For the future generation, I am giving so many things. Particularly, I give more stress in education, health, and communication. These three sector, I feel that I am successful. And network coverage also, now 60-70% network coverage is done already, and rest of the 30% I'm trying hard that every corner of my constituency is connected with the internet, so that modern technology, modern equipment, modern theory, modern development, every people can have the taste of this development. So Narendra Modi ji says sabka saath, sabka vikas, sabka vishwas, sabka prayas. So I urge the people of Bokajan LAC to work together. Don't sit down, don't wait, and whatever you are, whatever resources you have, you develop. So many self-help group, the people, they meet me for their help. So most of them, I am helping them to start entrepreneurship from the government side also. From my salary also, I am helping them so that they can earn and improve their livelihood. So this is my dream to take along the poor people of my constituency. So very innocent people. Most of the time, they are looted by the dirty politicians. So I am strongly against those process, and I am trying to clean this Bukajan LSC with my maximum capacity and the political power. So I will, in future also, I will work for these poor people so that I can give a direction to them and for their welfare.
Thank you, sir.
Ang te pinibirta lansing toni koklo dumi thakni kurbang thu kardo.